Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. In Dress and Press. I did do the Monsters University one. I just added a hat if you want to just remove the hat and the books. But let's get started with the video. I'm just going to show you what I'm wearing right now. So for the skin color, I did 8 to AC37. And for the outfit, I just basically used these leggings in type 3 in the same color as my skin, as well as this shirt here in default. And then for the feet and the hand, I used the chicken feet from the April Fool's one in the same color and in this yellowish white color for the nails. Okay, let's get started with the actual head. I use this fur hat in the same color as the skin. Position the Y to 0.33, Z 0.74, rotate the X to 0.4, Y 0.26, Z 0.74, and scale it all the way to 1. For the eyes, I use this hat, this green hat, and colored it white in the second toggle. Position the Y to 0.38, rotate the X to 0.38, Y 0.75, Z 0.25, and scale it to 0.54. For the eyelids, I use the mask in that same color as the skin. Position the Z to 0.34, rotated the X to 0.59, and scaled it all the way to a 1. For the iris here, I used the halo in 0F695B. Position the X to 0.45, Y 0.42, Z 0.37, rotated the X to 0.39, and scaled it to 0.14. For the actual center of the eye, I don't know what's called, okay? Not okay, anyways, I used this hat here and colored it black. Position the X and Y to 0.45, Z to 0.22, and rotated the X to 0.38, Y 0.75, and Z to 0.25, and scale it all the way to 0. Grab the earrings here, colored it white, position the X to 0.55, Y 0.56, Z 0.22, rotated the Y to 0.63, and scaled it to 0.30. Grab the thin headband and color it black. Default, position the Y to 0.42, Z 0.48, rotate the X to 0.41, Y 0.75, Z 0.25, and scale it to 1. Then you are going to grab the baseball cap and you are going to color it this blue 192F56. Position the Y to 0.61, Z 0.3, and scale to 0.32. Then we're going to grab the horns from the spring section here. In BD9377, position the Y to 0.34, Z 0.51, and scale it all the way to 1. Grab books and color it to whatever color you want, and that is Mike for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!